Let us take a look at this question, 20th. The bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics books, 10 dozen economics books. Okay, the selling prices are rupees 80, 60 and 40 respectively. Find total amount the bookshop will receive from selling all the books using matrix algebra. Okay, let's try to do this. So there's only one bookshop, okay, and some number of books are there, okay, and their selling prices are also there, right? So let's create matrices for representing the number of books for that matter. Number of books, particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books. We have chemistry books, we have physics books, and we have economics book. Okay, let's write in short. And how many books do we have over here? There's only one school, right? The bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics books and 10 dozen. We are talking about dozens, right? How many books are there in a dozen? In a dozen there are 12 books, right? A dozen is equal to 12. You may remember that, right? 1 dozen is equal to 12. 12th number, right? Whatever. A dozen bananas is equal to 12 bananas, right? We have, in case we have, let us say, a dozen of anything, right? Dozen and score or something. So one score is equal to 20 elements, right? That's what we have. So similar terms and used at different places. Next, the selling prices are rupees 80, rupees 60 and rupees 40 each respectively, okay? For chemistry, physics and economics, we have selling prices. So these are numbers basically. Here we have numbers in dozen, right? And the next thing is prices, and the prices can be written in this particular manner. Prices, these are selling prices. Selling prices. Selling prices of each book is 80 for chemistry book and 60 for physics book and 40 for economics book. Chemistry, physics and economics. So these are two matrices representing the number of books and the corresponding selling price of each book, right? Total amount the bookshop will receive from selling all the books. That's what you are supposed to find. Now total amount will be equal to product of these two matrices, right? But here the numbers are in dozen, here the numbers are in units, right? 1 dozen is equal to 12 units. So what you'll get is basically each of this particular matrix has to be multiplied by 12. 12 times this matrix, which is 10, 8, 10 times the other matrix for getting this product, right? 80, 60, 40. Had there been another bookstore in the school, or had there been another school, we would have added one more row for that particular number of chemistry, physics and economics books in that particular, let us say, bookshelf, bookstore or school. Had there been more number of schools, we would have added more number of rows. The prices obviously could have remained the same, 80, 40, 60 and 40 in that case, right? And by multiplying, we would have obtained the total amount for first, second and third school. So what do you have over here is, this is 12, okay, and this becomes 800 plus this first row gets multiplied with the first column, and what you get is 800 plus 8648 plus 400. This is what you get. What is that? 1680. 12 times 1680. This is what I am getting, right? This is what I'll be getting. 12 times 1680 would be actually equal to 12 times 0 is gone. 12 times 8 is 96. 6, 9. And 12 times 6 is 72 and 9 is 81. 1, 8 carry. 12 times 1 is 12 plus 8 is 20. This is 20160. That's the total amount the bookshop will receive from selling all the books using matrix algebra, as you can see behind me, right? That is all for this question over here.